John had AIDS, and I had a BLT. I said, I can't imagine. No. Unless they went somebody to try to find medication somewhere, I don't know.
Is it clean?
Pretty much.